The enemy knows how valuable math is. That's why you didn't understand any of it in school. They would teach the 2-inch diameter circle, but they would only show you half of it with a 1-inch radius. And it's because they didn't want you to realize that the 1-inch radius is also linked to the 30-degree portion of the circle, which is where the 30-degree triangle is located, referencing pi being also linked to the 30-degree triangle. The truth is, the 30-degree triangle holds the radius and the diameter of the circle in the same triangle. And whenever you take 180 degrees and divide it by pi, not only are you seeing where 1 inch, how many degrees it will get you on the circumference, but 180 divided by pi is also creating another radius of a circle at the same time, because that's the formula to find the radius of a circle. This is a replica of the 1.8 inch half circumference circle. It's the reason we have 360 degrees in a full circle, is because on this circle every degree is at 0.01 inches, every hundredth of an inch. So when you add up every hundredth of an inch for 3.6 inches, you'll have 360 of them. Not only is every measurement attached to this circle equal to degrees, but the diameter squared is equal to 4/3 is what we use in the volume of a sphere formula, and the radius is equal to 1/3. This is a replica of the 1-inch diameter circle. If you want to learn how to create your own circles and label the heights and study them, just look at your sine function. Okay, if you type in sine 30, you'll see that it says 0.5 inches, or 0.5. That is how tall the circle is on the 1-inch diameter circle at 30 degrees. If you type in sine 60, you'll see starting at 0 up to 60 degrees. This is the 60-degree portion of the circle. It will say 0.8660254,038. And if you type in sine 90, this is the 90-degree portion of the circle, it's 1 inch tall, you'll see that it's the value of 1. So they tell the truth about the inside of the circle to deceive us on the circumference of the circle, just so we don't say, wait, this triangle and the circle are created with the same scale? An all-powerful knowing God must have done that.